Okay, here's what the walk was all about. Say it's about 200 feet of fall. And this is, no one goes here. This is not touristy. You just got to know this is here. But it's just as great as any big waterfall in Costa Rica. What do you think? Hey Brendan, what do you think about the waterfall? We're going to swim a little bit, photograph, go in the cave behind the fall. A lot of jumps too. Gabriel would have loved this.
Oh, you can feel the spray. Oh, it's so
Fresh.
amazing. Oh.
It's more than... We got to jump right into the waterfall out from that rock, through it.
It's going to push us under.
No, it's not got that much power.
Here, can you take this?
No, you carry it. Go.
I want to carry it across this.
Go on.
Oh.
I'm freezing!
If only our armpits didn't
What are you talking?
smell of body odor.
Oh, well, we'll fix that.
Crazy. What is this?
Giant cave.
I can't see.
Right there. The cave's right there. I'm going to go around. We're going to swim. We're going to go walk. Anything dry on you? You're... Okay, there's the cave behind the fall.
Help me up. Dad, I cannot get up this.
Okay, we're here. We made it to the waterfall today.
Actually, 21.
We made it to the waterfall today. It's about a 150-foot fall. Really beautiful. The pool. Going to do some canyoning here today. Water looks plenty deep for that, but we're going to test it first.
Look how clear it is.
There's the cave and back of the fall. Here we are, wide angle. Hey guys, what do you think? You think we can jump in here? Quinn, go on in there and swim around.
It's like a reef. Look, Dad. It's dropped off. Are you really?
He's gonna do it. Yeah, he's gonna do it.
Oh, in that case. You never do things like that.
Yeah. He's changing. Hey, Brendan.
Oh, it's so warm.
It's warm over here.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is.
Once you get out of the...
I bet if we go down there, you won't get cold.
Nah, all you gotta do if you're cold is just get out of the... It's cold because of the air coming down. There's a good shot. Just dry off. It's really cold. Brennan, stop.
Alright. I'm all comfy now. Except for the
It's just like King Kong. Keep filming. And then a giant monkey dinosaur. Can I stop filming now? Oh, it's so cold. I need to find shelter. My dad flops around like an old fish in the cold, freezing water. It's like